Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a little device that I received from Duvolle is the company. So I haven't done a skincare video in a long time on my channel, so this is exciting. So we're going to be playing around with a device that I'm excited to try and to show you guys, so that if you were looking for something like this, then you guys can purchase it. And I also have a discount code that I will link down below, and I will link down all of the information, all that good stuff in the description box. How exciting. So let's get right into the video. Before I begin, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's get started. So I just got back home from going out with the family, having a little dinner and stuff like that. Yeah, this is how I am. I sometimes get glammed up when I go out, but on the regular, I'm literally no makeup, maybe my eyebrows, maybe a little highlights, bronzer, blush, and mascara, and that is it. So if you ever find me outside, or if you ever see me in the streets, I look like this, don't get scared. This is how I am, because I let my face breathe a little bit, because I am doing a lot of looks constantly. When I'm not, you know, doing this, I can have the time to let my skin breathe. Then this is how I'm looking. Like I said, I just got back home from eating dinner, so I was like, let me just try this right here, right now, because I'm gonna anyways wash my face and I'm gonna go in and take a shower, so might as well just try this and record it before I go do what I have to do. So basically, this will be my night routine, trying out a new product. How exciting. And I also have some other new products that I'm trying out as well that were sent to me by Duvolle, and I love, I think that's how you say it, I love their skincare products. So they sent me some of their new skincare products. I've already used their products before, which I know are very good. So anyways, let's stop the rambling. I'm gonna take off my earrings because obviously I don't need to wear my earrings in the process, and I'm going to put a nice headband on. This is what I usually do when I wash my face in the night. I did my hair and it was like for no reason. Look at this. It's like it's so humid outside today. Headband is from Slip. I don't know if you guys know what Slip is, but yeah. So now that we have the hair back, we can try it. So let's bring out the bad boy. So here is the product that I'm going to be using today, and this is the Radiance Skin Care System. Oh, where were you going, girl? By Duvolle. And you can look for this product at www.duvolle.com. Link all of the information. I know I have some discount codes, like I said, and all of the other information. I will link everything down because my phone is off right now. Let's talk about her. So she is a 4 interchangeable system. So you have the facial exfoliation brush, you have the large body cleansing brush, and you have the facial cleansing brush, and you have the pumice stone. So basically you could use this big one for the body, which is pretty awesome, and you can use the pumice stone, I think that's how you say, for the feet. So if you have dry skin and all that nasty stuff on the feet, you can just use this real quick. You hang it up in the shower and it's like perfect. It is waterproof, so that is always good, because I've had one in the past that wasn't waterproof, so that was not a good look. So this one is water resistant, so that's perfect. These other two here, so you have this one, which is just a regular brush, and then you have this one, which is a little tougher, and that's the exfoliating one. So you have two to work with. One is more like to just wash your product and things like that, and then the other one is to exfoliate and take out the excess makeup or excess dirt, which is always good. So this one you might use every day, and this one you might use every other day, or maybe twice a week, so you don't, you know, mess up your skin. And look how she is. She's a beauty. I love the color. It's a nice teal color, and it has two buttons here, the on button and the off button. So of course when you hit on, it turns on. It takes 4 batteries, so yeah, you have to put in 4 batteries before you use it. And this is how the body one looks, which is pretty big. Oh yeah, that's so awesome. I can't wait to use this on the skin in the shower. And then this is the pumice one, which is for the feet, which is always good for the summer as well. You accidentally forgot to, you know, go do your feet, or, you know, you see that your feet are super dry, quickly use it on your feet and you're good to go. So I'm going to apply the everyday one because I don't want to exfoliate my skin. So this is the everyday one, and I'm going to hit the button so you guys can see, and that's how it works. Look how nice that is. There's only one speed to it, but it rotates, so the rotation helps with, you know, exfoliating and getting all that stuff. I have some water here. I have my washcloth, so I'm going to wet my face a little bit with the washcloth. And we're gonna try this bad boy out. So today for the cleanser, I'm going to be using the Centella Multi Cleansing Water Natural Aroma Therapy. And this is by Joy, like I said, or Joy. Oh my God, this is so fancy. Look how that looks. So I'm excited to try this. It's a all-in-one cleanser, which is good. It effectively removes makeup, cleans skin, and refreshes. So that's amazing. Ew, that smells good. Oh my God, this is going to be like, because it has aromatherapy, it's gonna feel so therapeutic. I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna dip this into the water as well. My face is wet, but I'm also gonna dip this in just to wet the brush a little bit, so that when I apply it on the face, it also has some kind of wetness and it doesn't hurt the skin or anything. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of my cleanser to my brush. And we're gonna start doing it in circular motions. It's already rotating, but you want to also do it in circular motions. And we're gonna rotate this in circular motions all over the face, and you're gonna give a really good cleaning. That feels good. It's like you're massaging your face too. Oh, this is perfect. So of course, since I am touching my face, and this is kind of an exfoliator, you're gonna have some redness, but of course that should go away quickly. The cleanser and then this brush together, this face feels amazing on the skin right now. I like the fact that I can get in between here, because that's always hard to clean in these parts. It feels amazing. I would say, like, wash your face like a minute each side. And I really think this is what I was missing in my skincare routine. You do have a little bit, ew, that looks kind of nasty. I had a little bit of makeup on the eyebrows, so that's probably nastiness you see from here. Or if my face was dirty from the day, then that is really disgusting, and this works. I'm gonna take my washcloth and just remove the cleanser. I forgot I had mascara on. I forgot to wash my neck, so I'm gonna take a little bit and wash my neck as well. Okay, so my face feels so refreshed. I really like this brush. I feel like it's gonna go great in my skincare routine. I can't wait to keep using it. I love the fact that it actually has, you know, the rotating and all of that. And I feel like my skin is super soft just by one use. I love it. With using this, it is gonna help with my skincare routine. So I'm so appreciative that Duvolle actually reached out and sent me this, because I really needed it and I really like it. This is how it looks with the big one. Wow. And then you just take a bath and you just, oh my God, that feels amazing. Oh my God, I can't wait to shower and use this. I'm actually gonna use this right after this video. The one with the pumice stone. So now you won't have crusty feet. You have this. Oh my God. I wanted to let my skin dry a little bit, and I honestly can see a difference. My skin feels so much awake. It feels like I kind of like got a lot of dirt out. I don't know, it looks more youthful too. I feel like I lost like a couple of years. Like I'm back to 15 from 21. Okay, so before I wrap this video up, I'm going to use my toner. I just wanted to see how applying a toner and a moisturizer, how my skin would feel after using the brush. Centella Multi Cream. Whew, that feels amazing. So it has a few little things here that I wanted to say before I finish this video as well. It says, caution, do not use on broken skin or areas of the skin with rash, severe acne, or other skin ailments. For the cleaning and storage. It says to clean the unit and all applicators each time after usage. So that's obvious, you know, you gotta clean it. And then it says, do not use any alcohol, acetone, petrol, or any abrasive cleaning agents to clean the plastic parts. It says, rinse applicators with warm, fresh water. Max temperature is 50 Celsius or 122 Fahrenheit. For brushes, be sure to rinse the inside part of the brushes. Tip, if the filaments have become deformed, you can restore them to the original shape by rinsing the brush in warm water. Use damp cloth to mop clean any residue remaining on the unit and let air dry. So that is good to know for the cleaning process, which is super easy. That was not even that like difficult. That is super easy to keep this clean so that it lasts longer. So also one thing that I love about this product is, like I said before, that is water resistant, so you can use these all in the shower. I had one before that wasn't water resistant, so it was like, what's the point of this brush if it isn't water resistant? So the good and best thing for me of this brush is that it's water resistant. So you can go in the shower and you can use all of this right in your shower without worrying that the device is gonna get damaged. So that's plus for me. All in all, I really, really like the device. It is useful, it is easy to use. I like the fact that I can just store it in my shower and keep it there. So whenever I need to use it, it's in the shower already. I don't have to worry about it. So that's another thing. And yeah, I can't wait to keep using it. And like I said, I will link everything down below in the description box so you guys can go purchase it. I do have a discount code and all that good stuff, so I will link everything down below where to purchase it and your little discount so you guys can try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.